here is how you duplicate a clip in CapCut. So I'm going to go ahead, click new project, and I'm just going to select this astronaut style video and I'm going to add that to the timeline. Now we can see if we scroll through, it's simply just this person looking. So I'm going to go ahead and click play. You can see the glasses sort of come up. So I'm just going to go ahead and stop it there. I'm going to split and I'm just going to delete this clip on the right. So we've got a smaller clip to work with. So if I click on that, and then at the bottom, what I have, if I scroll across, I have a copy. That's what we're looking for. Copy, you can see it there. So I'm going to head and click copy. That has copied the clips. So if we click play now, we will see the clip starts from the beginning. Now this is good when you want to do something like reverse and you want to rotate a clip. And this is what it will look like. The clip will play, glasses come up, and then we have the same clip reversed, glasses come back down. So there you go. That is how you duplicate a clip in CapCut.